Good morning, everybody. This is Anushi Singh and I'm Danushka Rao. We are from St. Andrews High School in Chennai. So the problem we've identified for our project is that diabetic patients, if they are wounded, their wound takes longer time to heal, and if it's a wound that causes bleeding, the bleeding is excessive and the blood clotting process is really long. So we thought, what could be a solution?
Yeah, there are many ointments for diabetic patients as well, but they aren't really effective, and not many people use it because they can't really get it or afford it, right? And we thought about a solution: biodegradable healing pads. The biodegradable bandages have existed since many years, but the problem with that is no one really uses it because they don't have a specific need to use it. But diabetic patients, they have a specific need, and the wounds, they don't really have any solution for that specific need.
Yeah, and also the fact that biodegradable healing pads, even though they have been introduced, the reason they're most widely not in use is that there are a lot of issues to it. So they might not be water repellent, they don't have a long shelf life, and our aim here is to try and eliminate or at least minimize those issues at hand.
Yeah. While trying to achieve our aim, we're specifically focusing on the diabetic people and their specific problem for wound healing. So we have developed,
Yeah. So we have developed a prototype. This is not the actual end product yet, but so basically this prototype, this is the crepe or like the band-aid that we've used right now. But in the future, we're going to modify this into a biodegradable filament material. And on top, we will also be making a biodegradable plastic film that will cover the healing gel and the sticky side glue that we will be making. The healing pad is made of alum, which is a stone that is broken from its crystalline form. And alum has many healing properties and helps in wound healing. So we have identified that, and with the help of alum, turmeric, honey and lime, we have made a healing gel that goes in the center and on the specific wound. And on the sides, we for the wound, like the pad to stay on the hand, we've used agar agar and cornstarch. But in the future, again, we will be developing a more efficient way of a glue which is skin friendly and does not cause any residue to stay. So yeah, explain this. We need to peel this off.
yeah, it's still correct. Yeah.
So
We have to peel it out to use, and to activate this, we have to
take
add
a drop of water, and when we add the drop of water, it will activate, and we have to
stick it on
the wound.
This is the specific healing
Healing
gel,
gel.
so that will stay on the wound.